I think as a breed, scientists are actually very playful. We like to experiment. Experimentation is playing with a purpose.
It is so much fun what's going on in the world of medical genomics today, that the environment in which it's going on should be fun. It should feel fun.
Welcome to the Broad Institute, where around 1,500 scientists collaborate, hoping to realize the potential of the Human Genome Project and find cures for cancer, diabetes, and schizophrenia. About half of these Broadies are employees, with the other half coming from MIT, Harvard, and area hospitals. With an annual budget of about $220 million, it is an ambitious attempt to concentrate the scientific brainpower of Boston area institutions in one place. The Broad's bright, modern building in Kendall Square doesn't only encourage collaboration, there's no avoiding it.
There were glass walls everywhere, so everyone could see what was going on in conference rooms. We designed the walls so you could write on them, so people could leap up in the middle of a conversation and just scroll things on the wall.
The Broad's research endeavors are labor-intensive and incredibly data-dense, including efforts to mine the genome for secrets and amass huge libraries of chemical compounds that could be used to investigate biology. The computer pipeline of information that comes off the Institute's sequencers is nicknamed Firehose.
One person's project might involve 50 genomes, and that's just one person. That's 150 billion bases of genetic information. Being at the receiving end of a fire hose seems like a pretty good metaphor.
Seemingly every month, the Broad's scientists discover new genes that play a role in disease or basic human biology. But there are not going to be overnight cures to disease.
I do get that question. Why haven't you figured out cancer yet? What's up with cancer? Everything we find out makes us realize that what we're looking at is even more complicated than we thought it was.
On a daily basis, most of what we do is inconclusive.
The Broad is trying to create a new model for doing science. Unlike scientists at pharmaceutical companies, their time horizon is longer because they are focused on unraveling the roots of human disease, not getting a particular product to market.
We're always hoping when we do our data analysis that there's going to be something sparkly when we look at the results. And it happens occasionally, and frankly, it's that occasional success that really keeps all of us going. But it's not a day-to-day occurrence.
The Broad Institute is an experiment, and like all experiments, it could fail.
Those of us who lead this institution stay up nights worrying about all the many ways in which we could fail. That's the main reason we haven't failed yet.